Hello to our standard students, welcome back to chapter 3, Theory of Equations. Today we are going to go into a very easy and interesting topic, reciprocal equations. Okay, what do you mean by reciprocal? Reciprocal, if you take a number 2, what is the reciprocal of this? 1 by 2. Almost it is opposite or it is inverse, you can take it any way, but it should be reciprocal of it. Okay, and a polynomial p of x of degree n is said to be a reciprocal polynomial if one of the following conditions is true. So we are going into the polynomial. Usually you see with the numbers. Now we are going with the polynomial or the equations. P of x equal to x power n, p of 1 by x. And similarly p of x equal to minus x power n, p of 1 by x. So there are two types. Okay, we are going to see two types of reciprocal equations, and there is a easy method to find the solution also for that, whatever may be the degree. Okay. A polynomial p of x of degree n is said to be reciprocal polynomial of type 1 if p of x equal to x power n, p of 1 by x. So it is plus. Okay. And polynomial of p of x of degree n is a reciprocal polynomial of type 2 when p of x equal to minus x power n, p of x. We will see this with the examples. This is a general format. The examples, when you see, it will be easy for you. So no need to get confused. A polynomial equation, they have given an equation a n x power n dot 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 up to a naught equal to 0, where a n not equal to 0 is a reciprocal equation if and only if one of the following two statements is true. Either this should be true or this should be true. What is that first statement? A n equal to a naught. So the first coefficient should be equal to the last coefficient. Similarly, the second coefficient should be equal to the second last coefficient, so on. Otherwise, or solely they are dividing into two types. A n equal to minus a naught. So first one is equal to minus a naught. Similarly, second one equal to minus a1, so on. Okay. So what is going to be our type 1? So type 1 has got two polynomial equations. You get even degree and odd degree. So in each type 1 and type 2 you will get for odd degree as well as for even degree. So first we'll start with type 1 with the odd degree. What is type 1? The equation 6x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 43x cubed minus 43x square plus 6 equal to 0 is of type 1. How do we say this is of type 1? You see the first one, this is the first one, coefficient is equal to the last coefficient. Similarly, the second one is here 1 and here also 1. Second one is also 1. And similarly, the third one, minus 43 equal to minus 43. So from the left as well as from the right, when you see the coefficients are equal, okay, of the same sign and equal, then only they are equal. Okay, they should have the same sign. So type 1 is all the coefficients from the left and the right are of equal with the sign, okay, same sign, then it is called as type 1. So for type 1 you can automatically take as x minus 1 as a solution. Okay, you can directly take this x minus 1 as a solution and you can do synthetic division and you can find out the solution. Okay, the same type 1, this is of odd degree. How do you tell odd degree? This is power x power 5. 5 is an odd number, so we tell this of odd degree. Okay, same type 1, when you get a even degree number, what is the, you see here also it's the same, the first coefficient equal to the last coefficient. The second one, minus 5 equal to minus 5 and minus 38 equal to minus 38. Okay, so this is how you get the center term will be equal to the center term itself, and the sign also is the same. So they are equal along with their sign. So they belong to type 1. But when you compare the degree, it is x power 4. 4 is even. So you tell this as even degree reciprocal equation of type 1. So for even degree, you don't have any ready-made answers or like this clue x equal to minus 1 something. But you can take y equal to x plus 1 by x or y equal to x minus 1 by x. When you do the problem, you will understand why we are taking this. Okay. Now we'll go into our type 2. Type 2 also has got two, odd degree and even degree. We'll see for first type 2, what is type 2, and then we'll go into odd degree. Okay, what is type 2? Here they have mentioned, isn't it? This way, a n equal to minus a naught, a n minus 1 equal to this comes under type 2. Okay, so we'll see the type 2. Here they are given an example, 6x power 5 minus 41x power 4. Okay, so what is the first term here coefficient? 6. And what is the last coefficient? Minus 6. Similarly, you take the second one, here the second one. So here it is. So here if you take the second element, and here when you take the second element, second last, okay, minus 41 equal to plus 41, and here third last and the first third you will get plus 97 equal to minus 97. The numbers are equal, but when you see the sign, it is opposite sign. If the left hand side it is plus, right hand side it is minus. Here left hand side is minus and right hand side is plus. So when you take like this, equal, number equal and the sign opposite, it is called as type 2. And here degree x power 5, so this is of odd degree. So when you take odd degree of type 2, your solution, ready-made solution is x is equal to 1 must be a solution. The same type 2, we are going to go to even degree. Here x power 6, so it is even degree. And now you see the first coefficient 6. What is the last coefficient? Minus 6. Second one, it is minus 35, means the second last should be plus 35. It is plus 35. And the third one, plus 56, means here it should be minus 56. Okay. So, and one more you can see in this even degree of type 2, the middle term. What is the middle term? X power 3 should be equal to 0. There is no middle term in the even degree of type 2. Okay. These are the clues. You can easily find out whether it is a degree. You will easily find out by looking into the power, whether 5 means odd, 3 means odd, 4 means even, 6 means even. Okay. But how do you take type 1 or type 2? Type 2 is you should have the same coefficient with opposite sign. And at the same time, type 2, the middle term will be absent. See here in type 1, you have got all the terms. You have got the middle term. Here also, the middle term also is here. But here, this x power 3 is absent. X power 3 term should be absent, should be equal to 0. These clues will help you. Okay, and even degree reciprocal equation type 2, we can take two answers, 1 and minus 1. So when you combine these two, you will get the factors as x minus 1 and x plus 1. So when you combine these two, you will get x square minus 1 as a factor. Okay, type 2 and the middle term must be 0. Oh, this is what they have given the clues. With these clues, we are going to solve the examples and the exercise problems. Okay, thank you.